Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel EcoAda Way to Economics. I hope you all are doing good. This channel is all about the subject economics. So अगर आप economics student हैं, make sure you like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of the upcoming videos. So in this video, we continue NCERT class 12 part B, Indian Economic Development chapter 3, Economic Reform since 1991 and this is the last part. इससे इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड 11 वीडियोस ऑलरेडी चैनल पर अपलोडेड हैं और आपको सारी वीडियोस प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएगी. मेक श्योर आप उनको पहले देखें. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Our today's topic is growth and employment. Decreased restriction of foreign firms in the service sector leads to increase in the growth of service sector as the share of the service in foreign direct investment increases. Basically, there is inverse relationship between the restrictions and the growth of an economy because अगर restriction foreign trade की कम होगी तो उतनी ही ज़्यादा हमारी इकोनॉमी की ग्रोथ होगी, सर्विस सेक्टर की इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ेगी. Also, the share of the secondary sector increased in employment at a relatively faster rate, as well as employment rate भी increase होगा, लोगों को काम मिलेगा, opportunities मिलेंगी. Okay? Our next reform is reforms in agriculture. As we all know, agriculture is the primary source of income in rural India. In this period, there is increase in agriculture product of both exports and imports. Secondly, there is improvement in agricultural technology and rural infrastructure are the two areas where progress is being made. कौन सी technology and the infrastructure as well. Next, the agricultural methods are becoming more prevalent, which means that the methods are becoming more popular. And the last one is the agriculture and food security price are maintained. फूड के प्राइस भी मेंटेन रहने लगे आफ्टर द रिफॉर्म पीरियड. आई होप दीज पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर टू एवरीवन. ओके, आर अनदर रिफॉर्म इज रिफॉर्म इन इंडस्ट्रीज. द गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस्ड अ न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी ऑन 24 जुलाई 1991. ये डेट आपको याद रखनी है. द न्यू इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी इस्टेब्लिश इन 1991 substantially to deregulate industry so to promote growth of a more effective way to create the competitive industrial economy. Is that clear? The next is the promoting foreign investment. Government announced a specified list of high technology and high investment priority industries. So government क्या करती है, जितने भी higher priorities पे industries होती है जिनमें invest करने से maximum return मिलेगा, सभी industries को government list out कर लेती है. Next one is the rationalization of the exchange rate policy. This is again one of the most important measure undertake to improve the balance of payment situation was the devaluation of rupee. इस सिचुएशन को इम्प्रूव करना जहाँ पर devaluation ना हो in the exchange rate. Our next topic is disinvestment. When the government or organizations sell or liquidate assets or subsidiaries, that situation cause disinvestment. Basically, disinvestment can take the form of divestment or a reduction of capital expenditure. And the decision of disinvestment is mainly to reduce the fiscal burden. ऑफकोर्स ये बात है, अगर आप किसी कंपनी से इन्वेस्टमेंट अपनी विड्रॉल कर लोगे दैट विल रिड्यूस द फिस्कल बर्डन. ऑल्सो इट ब्रिज द रेवेन्यू शॉर्टफॉल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट से रेवेन्यूज जो हैं वो भी शॉर्टफॉल हो जाएंगे, यानी कि कम हो जाएंगे फॉर द गवर्नमेंट. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? Next are the reforms and the fiscal policies. That means by which the government adjusts its spending along with the tax rate to influence and monitor the nation economy is known as the fiscal policy. जब government अपने expending को adjust करती है with the tax rates to watch the national economy, that is known as the fiscal policy. Let's see some of the importance of the fiscal policy. Fiscal policy helps mobilize considerable amount of resources for financing its numerous projects. Fiscal policy जो है वो as a resource काम करता है to finance any project. Also it helps in providing stimulus to elevate the saving rate. Elevate means to improve the savings rate. Is that clear? इस वीडियो में इतना ही. यहाँ पर आपका ये चैप्टर ख़त्म होता है. आई होप आपको ये पूरा टॉपिक क्लियर होगा. Thank you so much for watching this video and comment down if you have any query regarding this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel and thank you so much.